Keto stuffing. Two words you'd never expect to find in the same phrase, but here they are. The secret substitute? Keto bread or rolls. Proof that you can still enjoy stuffing even if you're watching your carbs. The pilgrims likely ate a diet that verged into keto territory. That first Thanksgiving dinner probably consisted of venison, turkey, berries, and Indian corn. But there's no evidence it included stuffing. If they did stuff their turkeys, they likely would have used chunks of onion and herbs. Modern-day stuffing, of course, is traditionally made with bread, or worse yet, cornbread, that could bring you out of ketosis with a single forkful. That doesn't mean stuffing is off the menu on Thanksgiving or any other day for that matter. Instead, follow this recipe for keto stuffing that will keep carbs at bay while still providing all the flavor and texture. Add an assortment of savory herbs and spices, including thyme, oregano, and sage, for a delicious flavor combination that will have you thankful for each bite. Here's another reason to be thankful. You don't have to limit your stuffing to Thanksgiving. This savory keto stuffing makes a great low-carb side dish for almost any meal, in any season. Try it with grilled chicken or broiled pork chops for a low-carb dinner time favorite all year long.